In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time tracking Zoho books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record your work hours so they roll up cleanly into project reports and, if applicable, billing. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account and heading to the main dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, open the time tracking area. This is the hub for all your time-related activities, and it's where you'll manage entries for projects and tasks. Inside time tracking, choose timesheet. This view shows your existing time entries and provides tools to add new ones. It's helpful to glance at this list first to ensure you're not duplicating a recent entry and to confirm you're in the right place. To add a fresh record, click New Log Entry. This opens a form where you'll provide the details of the work you completed. Begin by selecting the project name. Choose the exact project you worked on so hours are allocated correctly. If you don't see the project, it may be a permissions or setup issue, so check with your admin or confirm that the project is active. Next, select the task name associated with that project. Tasks help break down your work for accurate reporting, so pick the one that best matches what you did. If your organization uses a detailed task list, take a moment to match your activity to the most specific task available. Now, enter the time spent. Use a clear format such as hours and minutes. For example, 1:30 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Accuracy here directly affects project budgets and, where relevant, client billing. So record time as soon as possible after completing the work to keep it precise. Depending on your organization's form layout, you may also see additional fields. Review them and make sure anything visible is consistent with your entry. Select the user. If you're logging time for yourself, choose your name. If you manage entries for a team, select the correct team member so reports and invoices reflect the right person's work. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your entry will be added to the timesheet list. Take a quick look to confirm the project, task, user, and duration displays as expected. If you notice an error, you can usually edit the entry right away, provided your role allows changes. That's it. You've logged time in Zoho Books using timesheet. Keeping entries consistent, correct project, precise task, and accurate duration will make your reporting cleaner and your invoicing smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.